Reigniting the flame. Understanding, put the spark back. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that's often used in English: put the spark back. This expression is rich in imagery and emotion, and understanding it can add depth to your English conversations. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily English. Stay tuned to light up your language skills. Put the spark back is a metaphorical phrase used to describe the act of reviving or rekindling a sense of excitement, interest, or passion in a relationship, activity, or project that has become dull, routine, or lackluster. The spark here symbolizes the initial excitement or energy that makes something feel new, exciting, or vibrant. When that spark fades, things might feel monotonous or uninspiring. So, putting the spark back is all about finding ways to bring back that original thrill or enthusiasm. 1. In relationships, after 5 years of marriage, they decided to travel to Paris to put the spark back into their relationship. Here, the phrase signifies making efforts to revive the romance and excitement that may have diminished over time. 2. At work, the team launched a creative brainstorming session to put the spark back into their project. In this context, it means injecting new energy and ideas into work that has become mundane or stale. 3. Personal interests. He started taking guitar lessons again to put the spark back into his love for music. Here, it's about reigniting one's passion for a hobby or interest that has been neglected. To put the spark back in various aspects of life, consider these strategies. Introduce something new. Novelty can reignite interest and excitement. Spend quality time together. In relationships, focused, undistracted time can strengthen bonds. Set common goals. Working towards a shared objective can revive enthusiasm in collaborations or personal pursuits. Celebrate small victories. Recognizing and celebrating progress can boost morale and motivation. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase, put the spark back, more confidently in your English conversations. Whether it's in personal relationships, work, or hobbies, remembering this expression can inspire you to find ways to keep the flame of enthusiasm burning brightly. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English with curiosity and joy.